Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily feed your pets without having to look for them and grow a garden. So, with the new pet slots, you don't have to like search for your pets and like feed them by pressing on it. You can just select like a fruit or like an item here. Let's do this butternut squash. Actually, let's do trying to pick one without. Okay, here we go. Let's do cauliflower. Select this icon here and then feed the pet you want to feed. So I'm just going to feed Mimi here. And that's it. It is now that simple. You don't actually have to look for your pets. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.